Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, if you guys can see. Basically what this is a Beyond Meat Beyond Burger, which is a plant-based patty which doesn't have any meat on it. So this is like good for like vegetarians or vegans or whatever. So I have this heating up right here, which is a Black & Decker 3-in-1 waffle maker, sandwich maker, and also a grill. We're using the grill option right now and we're gonna wait for it to heat up, you guys can see. So in case if you guys are wondering what it looks like, this is what it looks like for the actual plant-based meat itself. You guys can see the green light popped up, so we can add it in now. Alright, let's open up. It looks ready, so we can put in the meat. So I'm using this little spatula to put it on. Alright. Alright, same thing for the other side. So the cool thing about this one is that fact that it's actually closed if you guys want to, just like that, and just leave it cooking for around 4 minutes or so. Alright, it's been about like 4 minutes or so now, so let's open it up and see what it looks like now. Wow, look at that. That's amazing. Alright, so we got a Beyond Meat burger that's not actually meat or anything in here, so I'm gonna give this a try and see how it tastes. Kinda excited to try this because I heard a lot of good things about this. Alright, let's give it a try. Wow. Definitely super interesting. You get all of that like burger kind of taste to it, but it's not meat at all. I would definitely pay for one of these in the actual restaurant itself if you guys gave me one of these. It's so good to the point where you guys don't even need to add any like sauce or anything. Like you guys can add sauce if you guys want to, but this is so good by itself that you guys don't even need to add sauce. So I'm gonna go finish this up first and then we'll come back and talk about the product in a second.
2 hours later.
Alright, welcome back guys. Alright, so now that you guys saw the quick unboxing and the cooking process of the product itself and trying the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So with me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it. If you guys love food or if you guys just trying to be a little bit more healthy and try not to eat so much meat, this is really a good alternative because it's so good and it's so like affordable as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's much it for this quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have